Hello students, today we are going to learn solving simultaneous linear equation involved with two variables x and y. So for this, in class 9 we are going to read three methods: substitution method, elimination method and graphical method. So in previous classes we have read about substitution method and elimination method. So today we are going to learn about graphical method. So this is the method that we have read in class 8 also. So let's move on the question. So the question is, solve graphically x plus 2y is equal to 1. So this is one equation, and another one, 2x minus y is equal to 7. So this is another equation. So first of all, we will be writing given equations. So x plus 2y is equal to 1. So this is the equation 1, first equation. And 2x minus y is equal to 7. This is the second one. So equation 2. From equation 1, so x plus 2y is equal to 1. So here we can see the coefficient of x is 1. So here we will be placing this y as input variable and x as output variable. So x equals 1 minus 2y. So here we will be making a table for this. So x is equal to 1 minus 2y and y. So here first of all we have to put the value of y, and then we will get the value of x. That will be the result. And here these two values are just enough to get a line segment, but here we will be putting three values so that if we did some mistakes, then we can know it. So first of all, let me put 0. Here we can put any value of y, but make sure that the output value that comes should be an integer and it should be compatible to your graph. For example, if you get output value 1000 or 1002, anything, then this value will not be compatible to your graph. That means you cannot plot that value in your graph. So here be careful while putting the value of y. So put those smallest values so that you can get the smallest compatible value in x. So here I am just putting 0. So if I put 0, then it becomes 1 minus 2 multiply 0. So 2 multiply 0 gives 0. So 1 minus 0 is 1. So this is one output. Now the next one, let me put y is equal to 1. Now it becomes 2 1s are 2. So 1 minus 2 gives minus 1. And then I am going to put 2. So if we put 2, then it becomes 2 2s are 4, and 1 minus 4 gives minus 3. So the coordinates are 1 0, minus 1 1 and minus 3 2. So these are the coordinates that we have got from equation 1, and let me insert it in graph. So this is the point 1 0. So another 1, minus 1 1. This is the one, minus 1 1, and another one is minus 3 2. So minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 1 2. So if we join these 3 points, then we will get a line. So this is the line that we have got, and here we will be naming the equation x plus 2y is equal to 1. So this is the line of equation x plus 2y is equal to 1. Now let us move on the second equation. So the second equation is 2x minus y equals 7. So here the coefficient of y is 1. So here we will make this y as an output variable and x as input variable. But here the one thing is y is negative. So we are going to place it on the right side so that it becomes positive, and we are taking this 7 to the left hand side, so we get 2x minus 7 equals y. So for this also we are going to make a table, and we are going to put again 3 values. So here x is the input variable. That means we are, first of all, we are going to put the values of x, and then y is the output variable. Means after we put the value of x, then we will get the value of y. Here also we are doing the same job. So we are placing the values, smallest values that is compatible to the graph. And here, just in the beginning, we may start from 0 also, but if I put here 0, then the output value will be minus 7. So that minus 7 may not be compatible to our graph, so I have started from 2. So if I put here 2, then it becomes 2 to the 4. 4 minus 7 gives minus 3. If I put here 3, then 2 to the 6. 6 minus 7 gives minus 1. And if I put here 4, then it becomes 2 4 are 8 minus 7, that is 1. So the coordinates are 2 minus 3, 3 minus 1, and 4 1. So now let's insert it in graph. So this is the point 2 minus 3. You can see here 1 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. So this is the point 3 minus 1, 1 2 3 and minus 1. And this is the point 4 1, 1 2 3 4 and 1. So here again we are going to draw a line, and this is the equation 2x minus y equals 7, to which this line belongs. Now if we see here carefully, then we can get these two lines intersect at a point, and that point is 1 2 3 and minus 1. So it is 3 minus 1. So at last we will writing, since the lines intersect at 3 minus 1, so x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 1 is the required solution. So this is how we do by graphical method. I hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, thank you everybody. See you soon. Goodbye.